where it's an elliptical shape where we are finding it. I will change the color of it. It's another elliptical shape. Using that design, explore the option here. Let's make a structure using it. I will still keep on editing. So there is an heart design. We will put a new layer style here. So that's a shape. Add a laser tool. Make different features to use and have a ultimate good design in the canvas of editing in Photoshop.